In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Airbnb not accepting debit or credit card. So for example, if you want to book your stay on Airbnb, you'll have to add a payment method. If you added a credit or debit card, but if it is not accepting, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the incorrect card details. So in that case, what you have to do is make sure to provide the correct card details. Make sure to enter the correct card number over here. Likewise, enter the correct expiration date. Also enter the correct CVV. Now also enter the zip code over here. Make sure to enter all these informations very carefully. If any one of this information is incorrect, your credit card will not be accepted. So after you enter the correct credit or debit card details, tap on the option done and your card will be accepted. But if your card is still not being accepted, there might be some problem with the application itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Airbnb and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache of the application has been cleared, go back to the Airbnb application. Now what you have to do is enter the card details and tap on the done option over here. Now your credit or debit card will be accepted. But still, if your card is not being accepted, there might be some problem with your device itself. Your device must be going through some temporary software glitches. So in order to fix it, what you have to do is restart your device. For that, what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After your phone is restarted, open the Airbnb application again and enter the debit or credit card details. Now your card must be accepted. But if your card is still not accepted, what you can do is simply try contacting the support. For that, what you have to do is go back. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now at second, you'll be able to find this option for get help. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the help interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, visit the help center that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be in the home center. What you have to do is scroll down to the bottom. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find this option for contact us. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to contact the Airbnb. What you have to do is simply explain your problem to them. Tap on the field of message that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is enter your problem. You can also attach the photos by tapping on this photo icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your message has been sent. Now Airbnb support will reply to you. Simply follow their instructions and your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix Airbnb not accepting debit or credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.